the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals policy. His action, called DACA, changed the lives for hundreds of thousands of undocumented immigrants across the nation and here in Central Florida in particular. But as Channel 9's Alexa Lorenzo explains, a decade later, the program remains in limbo.
It completely opened doors that were previously not just closed, but like slammed shut, bolted.
Melanie Candia remembers it clearly. The day 10 years ago when DACA was established, providing deportation relief to young unauthorized immigrants who came to the U.S. as children if they met certain requirements.
The memories I have in Bolivia stop at 6 years old.
Her family moved to Florida 22 years ago. She applied for DACA immediately and under the program has been able to get her driver's license, rent a home, and earn a bachelor's degree from UCF, accomplishing her dream of becoming a teacher.
It was a lifeline and it kept us from drowning. But at the end of the day, we're still in the ocean.
As a DACA recipient, she got in-state tuition at UCF for her undergrad, but has not been able to have that same financial status carry over for her graduate degree. So she started a GoFundMe for support.
I'm trying to help this community I've lived in for so long. Because of this lack of systemic change, it squashes you.
DACA was supposed to be temporary, as President Obama hoped Congress would pass the DREAM Act. 10 years later, DACA's future is more uncertain than ever.
And it's been up and down in the courts, all the way to the Supreme Court, back down to the Circuit Court.
Last July, a U.S. district judge from Texas ruled DACA is unlawful and ordered the federal government to stop approving first-time applications. For the more than 600,000 DACA recipients out there, they know too well.
It's a temporary setting that can be taken away at any point, which is terrifying.
Right now, immigration reform remains stalled, with no clear-cut pathway to citizenship.
This is all they know, and they are so intertwined in this society that we should recognize that and give them that legal status.
In Orlando, I'm Alexa Lorenzo for Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
The Department of Justice's appeal to that decision now makes its way to the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, and as of this afternoon, there is no hearing set.